In this video, we'll explore the essential items and valuable tips for packing a diaper bag for travel with your baby. You'll learn how to choose the right diaper bag, essential items such as diapers, wipes, changing pad, baby food, bottles, pacifiers, extra clothing, and toys. We'll also provide valuable tips for efficient packing, including utilizing travel-sized items, keeping the bag organized, and packing strategically for easy access to essentials during travel. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to ensure a well-prepared diaper bag for stress-free travel with your baby. When choosing the right diaper bag, it's crucial to prioritize spaciousness and practicality, ensuring it has multiple compartments to organize all the essentials for your baby's needs while on the go. Look for a bag with enough room for diapers, wipes, changing pad, bottles, baby food, extra clothing, and other necessities. The compartments will help keep these items well organized and easily accessible. By selecting a well-designed diaper bag, you can streamline the process of packing and accessing your baby's essentials during travel, making outings more convenient and enjoyable for both you and your little one. When traveling with a baby, certain essentials are non-negotiable. These include diapers, wipes, and a changing pad to ensure your baby stays clean and comfortable. Additionally, packing baby food, bottles, and pacifiers is essential to meet your baby's feeding and soothing needs while on the go. Don't forget to bring along extra clothing to cater to unexpected spills or messes. Lastly, keeping your baby entertained and content during the journey is crucial, so including a variety of toys is a must. These essentials will help keep your baby comfortable and happy throughout the travel experience. Efficiently packing a diaper bag involves several key strategies. Utilizing travel-sized items helps save space and allows you to carry the essentials without adding extra bulk to the bag. Keeping the bag organized with designated compartments for different items prevents chaotic rummaging when you need something urgently. Packing strategically ensures easy access to essentials during travel, so placing frequently needed items in easily reachable sections of the bag can be incredibly convenient. By implementing these valuable tips, you can streamline the packing process and ensure that you have everything you need at your fingertips while on the go. In conclusion, we've covered the essential items and valuable tips for packing a diaper bag for stress-free travel with your baby. It's important to summarize the crucial points discussed, including the selection of the right diaper bag, must-have essentials such as diapers, wipes, and baby food, as well as tips for efficient packing. Additionally, we'll provide you with final recommendations to ensure a well-prepared diaper bag for seamless travel experiences with your baby. By implementing these recommendations, you can feel confident and well-equipped to handle your baby's needs while on the go.